This is R. Dubey. Children, today you will study simple past and past continuous tenses. So, now first we'll answer the following questions. What were you doing yesterday at 4 p.m.? I was sleeping. What were you doing yesterday at 6 p.m.? I was reading a book. So you go through these questions. What these questions are telling, that what was done some time before. So answer was this, and it will, in it was written was. Now what you have to do, you have to read the following sentences. Madhu went for a swim. So what is this? Went. Nisha sang for the radio. So sang. So what are the two verbs? So went and sang. So these verbs show that an action was performed in the past. They are in the simple past tense. Because the action was performed in the past. So simple past tense describe an action that has been completed in the past. Now, coming to few more examples. Krishna climbed the stairs. The tailor stitched the clothes. They played football yesterday. So what do you see? Ed, climb plus ed, climbed. Stitch plus ed, stitched. Play plus ed, played. So what do you see? Ed is added to the verb to form the simple past tense. Here it is given. Dance, danced. Play, played. Walk, walked. Some verbs do not follow this rule. Now, which verbs do not follow? Here are the few examples, because there are some exceptions also. No? So, write changes into wrote. Sing changes into sang. Eat changes into ate. So, this is the rule how a simple past verb is formed, because this is in present tense, or you can say it is the base form of the verb. Now the base form of the verb is changed into simple past. Now there is one chart. We have to look the simple past tense is written in negative and questions, means how it is written in negative and questions. For example, I oblique you sang a song. So in negative, what you do? I oblique you did not. Here did is used. Keep this in your mind, that for making a negative sentence in simple past, what you do? You write did and then not also. So not and then the verb and then the object. So I oblique you did not see the man. Now to form the question, what do? You first write did, then your subject, whatever it's your subject, I oblique you, then verb, and then object. So did I oblique you play the piano? She oblique he sang a song. So it's in a simple past, because in this the second form of the verb is used. First form is sing, second form is sang. He oblique she did not see. See here, subject, then did not, and then verb, and then object. Here also did, to form a question, did in the first position, then subject, and then verb, and then object. This is the form. So you must make it clear for that what is the form for your question. Okay. Now they oblique we sang a song. So now in negative, they oblique we did not. This is the other example. Here it is written in C, the man. Here did oblique they we play the piano. So now likewise other examples are also given. Now Krishna was climbing the stairs when the phone rang. So the tailor was stitching clothes all evening. They were playing football in the field. I was cooking when you called. So here you see subject is there, then was oblique where. See in some sentences was is written and some where is also written. Because was oblique where depend on the subject. It's the subject is of which person. And then verb plus ing and then whatever predicate or you can say the object is there. So the verb was climbing, was stitching, were playing, was cooking describe action that continued for some time in the past. Means it was continued. It was not that it was done only. It was continued. Means I was climbing the stairs. This was completely going on. I was stitching clothes. It was going on. So they are in the past continuous tense. So the past continuous tense tell us about an action that continued in the past for some time. We use the simple past tense of be. Be means be is the which form? Is, are, am, was, were. So be is for that. Then plus ing form of the verb to form the simple past continuous tense. So was, I was. He, I was. I is first person. Then we were. For first person plural, were is used. And you were second person singular plural, were is used. He, she, it and any singular noun, for example Ram, Sita. So what do you write? Was. And if it is third person plural, for example they, so also there is written where. So this was your video lecture for your lesson simple past and past continuous tense. Children, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe this and give your appreciation so that I continue to give videos like this and your English is enhanced, and this is my only aim that all the children get good education, they get good knowledge regarding to the subjects.